Hey, it's me, Markov Yuri, Mrs. Wolfram. Today, I will talk about the farting sound effect from Milky. It's from a video called Till the Gassy Cold Night and by He Farts on a Fart number 1. It was uploaded on June 28, 2022. The duration of the sound effect is 0092034. The low theme music will be removed at the beginning and end. This sound is only used when I poop in ag. Rug. I need to let out some farts. Eeg. Wow, that poop was really big. That feels really good, hey? Remember kids, when you need to poop, just use this sound effect. It starts at 009 and ends at 034. Make sure you use that sound effect for your bathroom break videos and remove the low theme music at the beginning and end, okay?